Hi, happy 2022! It's the first gardening episode of the year, and even though there is so much snow in the garden and there is not so much going on, there are still a few veggies that I can go and pick even in the middle of winter. One of them is parsley. This is curly parsley. Also, I have some spinach still growing in my garden, and it will start growing even more when the temperatures start to warm up. Same with this red Russian kale. But today I would like to talk with you about one vegetable that is not that popular and is very underestimated among gardeners. It's called Mache, or corn salad, lamb's lettuce, or feld salad. Mache is extremely cold-tolerant vegetable. I plant the seeds in very early spring, in beginning of March, as soon as the soil can be worked, and then I plant again in September. So this one over here I planted in late September, and as you can see, it's still good in the middle of January, and we are slowly eating it. And it will keep good until the spring. And this is my mash from last April. It's about 1 month old. It grows fast, but it doesn't grow big. It looks similar to spinach, but it doesn't get as large as spinach. It stays pretty small. It tastes to me like a cross between spinach and lettuce, and I like using it in salads. But you can definitely cook it just like you do the spinach. In the end of May, beginning of June, when temperatures starting to rise and it gets hot, mash starts bolting and it goes to seed. This is how blooms of mash look like. Unfortunately, mash seeds are not readily available in garden centers, but you can get them online. I got mine from MI Gardener, and in the back over here it says that you have to plant it after last frost date. I don't know why they said it, but I'm telling you, you can plant it as soon as the soil can be worked. You can start planting mash 6 weeks before your last spring frost. For me, it's in March. If you have cold frame, greenhouse, a hoop tunnel, or some other kind of winter protection, then you can plant it even earlier, like 10 to 12 weeks before your last spring frost. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. I hope you give mash a try.